Okay.
Halloween's over. Merry Christmas, everyone. You guys, hi, welcome back. I hope you guys are having a great day. We got some horchata. I am so excited. I really hope you guys are doing great. Girl, let me tell you, I'm screaming, huh? Just gotta fill up these tacos, mama. I'm not gonna eat all of this. Brian's literally right here with me. We're just gonna binge, and I really don't know how much we're gonna eat. This is the crazy part. Election day is tomorrow. I'm just freaking out about it. Y'all already know who I'm voting for, obviously. Oop. But girl, I'm so excited to eat. We literally got a lot. We got 4 tacos de carne asada, 4 of chicken, and a torta de milanesa. I'm gonna start with asada. But like, seriously, I'm freaking out about tomorrow. I get my brows actually microbladed tomorrow, literally election day. And I was telling Brian, because it's gonna be in LA, I'm like, dude, I'm scared like driving back. I mean, that's like till nighttime though, huh? That people get elected, so it's still scary. I'm freaking out. I just think like, it's after the election, obviously. I mean, I know tomorrow people all day are gonna be voting, but I'm scared about, girl, my hair. It's like the aftermath I'm scared about, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know how people are gonna act, but Merry Christmas, everyone. Halloween's over. Y'all know by now that fall is like my favorite season, and you know, it's still fall, but it's kind of over if you think about it. I feel like in general, just with like COVID, I thought it would slow things down. And I feel like a lot of people could agree with this. I feel like we thought it was like the year was gonna go by so much slower, and it flew by. We're in November, like Christmas is next week. Imagine, dude, the fact that we're like forgetting about Thanksgiving. This is why I don't wanna say that fall is completely over, because we still have Thanksgiving. I see y'all out there already buying your Christmas trees. I'm barely getting over the fact that Halloween's over. You know what, actually, go off. Because this year was so bad that we deserve to celebrate any holiday we want, period. Me getting a Christmas tree next week. I'm gonna try the chicken tacos. Personally, for me, like, I always prefer chicken more. I'm just like, I love chicken. Okay, let me take a bite of this. Okay, that chicken's a little dry, I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Let me try the torta.
The torta was good.
You had one too? I thought this was for both of us. That's good, guys. That is good. I forgot how bad I like them. I literally recently, y'all, started to like not wash my hair as often. I didn't really understand, you know, people say like don't wash your hair every day. I could never understand that because I have to wash my hair every day. My hair gets really oily fast. And I remember like a while back, I got my hair used to not washing it every day. Like, you have to train it. So I'm in the process of training my hair again, so it won't, now that makes sense, right? Like, you have to train it. But I'm still in that like transition phase, and I just feel like my hair looks like I dipped it in mayonnaise or something. Ew. Oh, I forgot you hate mayo. Brian hates mayonnaise. Imagine.
Okay.
Bro, it's just so good. Like, I'm enjoying the torta more than the tacos for sure. I mean, are we surprised? Oh my god, guys. Halloween is over. I like, seriously, I'm still shocked. And I know I'm gonna get this asked a lot, and I actually brought this up in another video. That video might actually go up after this video. I had mentioned why, you know, I didn't do mayratouchofglam. I'm gonna go more in depth in the other video. I talk more about it to you guys, why I didn't do mayratouchofglam, etc. It's just weird that like last year it was a thing, and this year it was like, honestly, it was so dry. My channel was so dry. But with that being said, I was talking to you guys on Instagram, and I was telling you that I actually want to choose a specific day out of the week that I could actually post, right? So I was telling y'all, I was actually asking you guys like what day out of the week would you guys prefer I upload, whether it's during the week, weekends, etc. I was actually personally thinking Fridays, but a lot of people were saying that on Fridays, you know, it's just like, you know, you're gonna be going out or you're just gonna be distracted. You'd rather have it be on Wednesdays. I got a lot of Wednesdays. So that's gonna be my uploading schedule from now on here on this channel. We're gonna post Wednesdays, and then also on the vlog channel, we definitely wanna prioritize it more because girl, my vlog channel is very unpredictable. I don't even know when I upload on there. Like me and Brian were having this conversation. We want to, I hate you. I hate you.
I see it. Oh, done.
Done. Oh my god, I cannot do it. If you're like hanging out with us, we always have the camera with us.
You know what's funny? People that probably hang out with us, they're like, oh wow, they're always vlogging.
Like, right? So,
like, do they have another vlog channel or something?
Like, is there a vlog channel I don't know about? We will be the first to tell you we're always vlogging. It's like, we procrastinate that vlog and then they're so behind that like we have like a million vlogs to edit, and then when it comes down to editing, we're like, what's gonna happen to all these other vlogs? So we want to for sure, you know, like I said, I did film another video, literally me getting ready. I was just more like open to you guys about just like everything in general, what's been going on in my life, what's been going on in Brian's life, and I cannot wait for you guys to watch that video. But yeah, we've like been trying to organize things a little bit better. And I have been for a while just thinking like, you know what, we gotta just like, if we're gonna do this vlog channel, we gotta do this vlog channel. We cannot be coming in and out of it like nothing, because at first I feel like the vlog channel, it was really just like memories for us. Random little parties we would have, I would just post it. For us, it was just like, you know, a little memory channel for just like us and the family. You know what I mean? There's actually an audience that wants to watch our vlogs.
I randomly get messages from people like, when's the next vlog? And I always just reply like soon, but don't know when.
But I'm just excited to have a schedule because, you know, there's people that will just post like randomly throughout the month. I feel like that's a lot of influencers, including myself. I definitely feel like it's better if there's like an actual day that you guys know that I'm posting, you know? So from here on out, I'm gonna be posting Wednesdays. Wednesdays is Myra Day. I'm actually really excited for this. You will definitely probably see a video between that pop up randomly, but for sure I want to make sure we upload Wednesdays, and I'm so excited. And as far as the vlog channel, I feel like for that we want to be more consistent, but I cannot give like specific dates because vlogging is so much more different than, you know, an actual sit down video that is planned. So we definitely want to be consistent on that channel, and I want to make sure I'm posting here every single Wednesday. So look forward to every Wednesday because I'm going to be posting. It's so weird because I was really looking forward to Friday, but the fact that there was so many Wednesdays, I was like, oh my god, that's crazy. But it works out well because even this video I get to post on Wednesday. But you guys, I'm so excited to get my brows microbladed. Y'all know I got no brows, and I literally was drawing my brows in today thinking this is the last time I'm gonna draw my brows in a very long time. So I think I'm gonna do the microblading and a mix of like the shading, because I know the microblading, after a while, you know how it fades, at least from what I've seen. And my sister Karina has a microbladed like and shading. Her brows are like bomb. We'll see what I end up doing, but I am gonna vlog the whole experience. I definitely want to do a video all about it for sure. I am so excited. The day has finally come. I've been talking about this for such a long time. I feel like I'm really picky with like my brow shape. Even though sometimes I look back at videos, I'm like, oh my god, those brows were hideous. I like the idea that you could like take it off. I'm really scared, and I really hope I love them. I'm going to microblading LA. She's really good. So I am so excited. But we still got the other torta, or the other half, the chicken tacos, and then the asada tacos. Girl, who wants some? Babe, I've ate like 4 tacos and have a torta already. How is it fair that my man could eat like 20 tacos and I eat 2 and he's skinny?
So you don't want the torta?
Let
me get it. Yeah?
He just ate a torta. What did you eat exactly?
Torta and 4 tacos.
Go off.
I knew you weren't gonna finish this. That's why I didn't grab that many tacos.
4 tacos is a little bit for you. And these are really small, so that is weird. It's funny because the day of Halloween we were watching Hocus Pocus, and then the day after we were watching The Grinch. Literally, like that one cartoon. You guys, for some reason, every time we watch this movie, we can't finish it.
Nope.
We cannot. And like, I really like Christmas movies, right? I think earlier in the year we tried to watch that movie, you know, trying to be in the holiday spirit, like freaking early in the year. And then this time around that it's actually November, I'm like, let's put it on. And we had it on literally November 1st, and we didn't finish it again. Like, we need to literally lock our phones, any kind of distraction, and watch it. Like, I'm actually...
Something always comes up.
Yeah. And not even just me. Like, I think that day too, you went to the restroom. I think we paused it. And it was like paused for like hours.
We paused it. Yeah. We were like, oh, let's pause it because we had to go do something. But it just stayed paused because one thing after another, we just like, oh, we have to go do this and that.
We haven't finished that movie. It's the cartoon one, not the... I've seen the whole other one.
Not the Jim Carrey one.
Like the actual cartoon one.
I haven't had torta de milanesa in a good minute.
When I do have them, I'll do asada. I never do milanesa.
No?
By the way, I forgot to mention, I have not filmed in this like film room in so long. It's been a while.
But a good minute.
I used to like how I would get creative with my backgrounds because I like to film in my bedroom. I don't use any fake lights or anything like that. So if you guys have seen those videos, like let me know what you guys prefer. I also like this because I get to decorate like the theme in the back. Right now it's like whack. Between like right after Halloween, from like Thanksgiving, or at least like the first week of Halloween, it's like too soon to start decorating. So I literally just put like a little high queen moment with like Cheetos that have my face on it and a little M, and I forgot to turn on that candle. I think even like for fall and stuff I would go all off in the background, but yeah, I think like recently like it was just like in my bedroom and stuff. And girl, October was dry. I'm not gonna lie, it was really dry on my channel. I didn't really post much, but like this is definitely like a really weird decor phase. Like this is not permanent. I don't think I love it, so we'll see what we do. But my nails, I got my nails like a little Halloween set moment. Thank you, Master Weenie, so much. These are so cute. They actually looked really cute in all black, and we were really close to just leaving them black because I was like, dude, I got this like 2 days before Halloween. I'm like, Halloween's gonna be over in 2 days. After that, I'm gonna feel weird. It's gonna be Christmas. It's gonna, like, people get in that theme, you know? So I just feel a little off right now with my little Halloween nails because I'm like, oh my god, Halloween's over. By the way, let me know, what were you for Halloween? The day before Halloween, I was like a web. I don't even know what I was. I was wearing like a bodysuit that had like webs. I did like a little spider eye moment on my eye. And then the day after, like actual Halloween day, I was a wicked green witch. Was I proud of my costumes? I really wasn't. We were supposed to be the Addams Family, which I was so excited about. I feel like I was so excited about fall, and I juiced it like no other. Like I really did enjoy fall, and it's still fall. I'm enjoying it. I really am. I still get my pumpkin cream cold brew, but like actual Halloween just did not feel like Halloween. It just did not. I'm the kind of person that dreams that like I'll literally have dreams that I miss a holiday and I'll be like, wait, today was Halloween and I didn't know, and I'm like super devastated in my dream. I feel like I was living my dream in reality that day.
Nightmare.
Girl, I am full. Oh my god. Whew. I really hope you guys are excited for this weekly Wednesday upload. I feel like sometimes, you know, time passes and you don't even realize you're doing other things. At least that's how it was for me. I didn't realize I had gone literally this long without uploading. I was like, what the heck? I think that was like a little reality check for me. I'm like, you know what, I gotta set a date that they can like look forward to my uploads, because I don't think I've gone this long literally in the history of my YouTube channel, at least like once I actually really started doing it. I feel like I got so distracted with other things that we're doing. You know, time just freaking flies. You know, if you're not like on it, time will freaking pass by. I looked on my channel and I was like, oh, it's been 3 weeks that I haven't posted. I do like to post at least once a week. So I was shocked. But every single Wednesday, stay tuned, you guys, and we definitely want to be a lot more consistent on the vlog channel. Like I said, I feel like the vlog channel, we're gonna be more consistent uploading on there. Definitely more than once a week, because that's like vlogs, you know?
We hope.
We have to. Not we hope, girl. I'm done with it. We hope. No, bitch, you're doing it, period.
I'm consistent on my channel.
Oh yeah, Brian's actually really consistent with his channel. He's uploading like every other 2 days on like Go Off. It's funny because he's the one that usually does the mukbangs, and I'm usually sitting where he's sitting. But yeah, make sure you guys check out his mukbang channel, and I will link that down in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed me eating. Let me know what, like, when you order tacos, what do you get, girl? I was not a fan of these though, like, dead ass. These were dry. I really enjoyed the torta. That was really, really good. This is actually from Taqueria Azteca here in Riverside. Highly recommend. Was a little disappointed at the chicken tacos, but other than that, their food is pretty delicious, and we discovered them actually not that long ago. So if y'all are in Riverside, Go Off Taqueria Azteca. It's pretty good. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope I didn't make you hungry. And if I did, go get them tacos now, girl. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!